Stop lying to yourself. These productivity myths are killing your results. Weak minds make weak moves. Big 10 Breakdown cuts through the myths that keep you stuck. Level up or stay behind. Let's break it down. Working 60 hours a week sounds hardcore, but science shows productivity plummets after 50 hours. Quality over quantity, rest fuels results. Your brain can't juggle. Switching tasks costs up to 40% productivity. Single task focus crushes output. Not all gadgets are evil. Use blockers and timers. Right tech can lift your focus, not kill it. Tool overload equals decision fatigue. A lean stack, one calendar, one task list, beats chaotic tool sprawl. Being busy is not being effective. Focus on high-impact work and kill the busy work. Your mind isn't a hard drive. Externalizing ideas frees brain power and boosts recall. Right to remember. It's not sloth, it's fear or perfectionism. Name the fear, then dismantle it. Face the fear. Delegation isn't weakness, it's leverage. VAs, automation, teammates amplify your impact. Extreme rigidity burns you out. Structured flexibility, plan hard, adapt faster. True productivity measures outcomes, not checkmarks. Ask what moved the needle. These myths are comfort traps. Subscribe now or stay stuck in the same cycle. Big 10 Breakdown, where winners are made. Let's break it down.